if you've lost access to your TaskRabbit Tasker account and can't retrieve it through your email, there are still ways to regain access. Follow these steps to recover your account quickly. Step 1. Visit the TaskRabbit website. Go to the official TaskRabbit website or open the TaskRabbit app on your device. Make sure you are on the correct platform to avoid any phishing attempts. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your phone number. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRT to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Receive and enter verification code. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Check your messages, retrieve the code, and enter it in the provided field on the website or app. Step 5. Create a new password. Once your code is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before to secure your account. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your TaskRabbit Tasker account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to TaskRabbit support for further assistance.